In this video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step way on how to start your YouTube channel and how to create a YouTube channel from scratch using your mobile phone. First of all, if you're new to this video, don't forget to hit that like button so that YouTube can show this to a lot of people who need help just like you. This is your own way of doing charity.
Thank you.
But before you start a YouTube channel, there are some things you need to put into consideration. That is, there are some things you need to ready your mind for. There are some things you need to consider before starting a YouTube channel. If you want to start a YouTube channel, that maybe you want to use it to grow your business or you want to use it to get more visibilities, you need to think about that thing you are good at. For instance, maybe it might be your business. You want to create a YouTube channel for your business to bring more visibility for your business and end up getting sale for your business or more conversion. Maybe you want to think about your passion. Do you understand? What are your passion? Maybe your talent, that thing you are good at, your skill, or it might be some experience, some things you have experienced in life, and by so doing you want to teach others that same thing, maybe on a way to improve themselves in a particular thing or to avoid some particular thing. And when you are considering of starting a YouTube channel, okay, you need to start considering the fact that this particular niche you want to go to, can you be able to speak about this particular topic for 5 years without running out of content? Becoming a YouTuber is beyond you just getting in front of the camera and speaking just about anything. No, you need to position yourself in a particular niche, okay? And these are your target audience. You'll be creating videos that are related with what you are talking about from the scratch till the end. So it can be varieties of topic in a particular niche, but you need to position yourself as an expert in that niche, and this must be a part of you. Okay, it needs to be you. Do you understand now? Because when something is actually your passion, whenever you keep going and you face some challenges or difficulties, or you find out that you just feel reluctant to do something, do you understand? That passion in you will ignite a flame in you. Are you getting what I'm saying now? And will keep you going through thick and thin, through some challenges. That's why you see a lot of YouTubers that just started yesterday. They did it for maybe like a week, a day, 2 months, 3 months, they just gave up. Because why? They were going into YouTube for a wrong motive. You don't just go there for money. Do you understand? Even though it is possible to earn money as from the first week, do you understand? There are some particular niche whereby you can actually earn money from the first week. Affiliate marketing, bringing out some free version of your videos, and at the end let them know that okay, there is a link to a course. People can go there and go and purchase it. And there are some other niches too whereby you don't make money even from the first month, from the first year, the second year. Do you understand? Because you need to speak, position yourself as an expert. Do you understand? And when you get to some particular stages, you begin to get deals and endorsements from some small businesses or from some companies, and you begin to apply for YouTube partnership program, which is the AdSense, and you begin to earn money like that. So don't just go in for the wrong motive, go into something just because a lot of people are doing that particular thing and you just feel like, wow, I like this thing. No, that might not be who you are. People can easily see through when you are trying to speak about a content that is not yours. People can actually see through you if you are actually authentic and know what you are speaking about. You need to speak about what is actually embedded in your nature. How do you create a YouTube channel? Let me walk you through the step of how to create a YouTube channel on your mobile phone.
Now, so how do you create your YouTube channel on your phone? The first thing you want to do is open up your phone menu and go into your YouTube application. Okay, make sure you are logging into the email you want to use. Are you get what I'm saying? So when you open the YouTube application, next thing you want to do is hit this cycle here. It can carry the picture of your Gmail account, or it can have a cycle with the alphabet starting your name, your channel name. So once you click on it, then you're going to see it right now. The next thing you want to click on is click on your channel. Okay, once you click on your channel, the next thing you want to do right now is your photo or take a new one. So you could just hit on the photo, select a photo from your phone. So I'm just going to select one as an example right now. Okay, this is an example, and I'm just going to hit on set as profile photo. And the next thing you want to do right now is change the name of your channel. Okay, give your channel a name whereby depict what your channel speaks about. Do you understand? So when you click on the name right now, AY Digital Marketing Tips, Okay, tips. So the next thing you want to do right now is click on save. Once you click on save, then the next thing you want to hit is create channel. Once you hit on create channel, your channel is created. Okay, so this is your channel, and the next thing you want to do, don't worry, the DP is going to update by itself. Okay, so the next thing you want to do right now is click on this pencil icon. Okay, you're going to see this pencil icon. Check my click on the screen and update the description. Are you get what I'm saying now? So you can put in your description the topic your channel speaks about, like, welcome to this YouTube channel, we post about so. If you like this channel and you like our content, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, once you put it there, click on OK, and it will be saved. This will be saved for all visitors visiting your channel. And not only that, if you want to change the cover photo of your YouTube channel, that is the banner photo, you just need to click on this place right now. So once you click on that, you choose photo from your gallery, and I'm just going to select one. Let me just select this one. Okay, so once I select this, do you understand, then I could just shrink it and you know, make sure that you design something from Canva, or you know, design something for your banner. Do you understand? So now I'm just using this as an example, so I'll just click on save, and boom, this is going to be saved as my banner photo. You can see it right now. Do you understand? So this is how to create your YouTube channel, and our YouTube channel is ready and done for us. The next thing you want to do right now is hit on create or upload a video, and you know, just by doing this, upload video, and your video will be uploaded. So thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit that like button, and see you on the next video. Bye.